Crane pose or Bakasana in Sanskrit is a challenging arm balance. It is more advanced than crow pose, as it requires greater strength in arms. The practitioner balances on straightened arms, knees pressed against the upper arms, and toes touching. From Vajrasana, assume into squat position. Place your hands on the floor for support. When you find a balance, inhale, raise the arms over the head and lower the hands down in front. Squeeze the upper arms with the knees. The palms are flat on the floor about shoulders distance apart. Plant your palms firmly on the mat about a foot in front of your feet. Spread your fingers wide and press into the top joint of each finger. Inhale, raise the hips up until coming up onto the ball of your feet. Your knees are lined up with your upper arms. Exhale, begin to bring your weight forward into the hands, lifting your head as you go. Come up onto your tiptoes. Exhale, squeeze your belly tight and lift your feet off the ground. Park your feet toward your butt. Focus on the feeling of the body lifting, avoid sinking into the pose, which can dump weight into the shoulders. Arms are hugging in towards the midline, preventing the elbows from splaying out. The fingers gently claw into the mat to find balance. The eyes gaze forward. Contract the abdomen strongly to hold the knees in place. Hold here and breathe normally. To release, exhale and transfer your weight back until your feet come back to the floor. This is the front view of Bakasana. Inhale, arms to the sky. Exhale, hands to the front on the ground. Inhale, raise your hips. Exhale, lean weight to the front. One foot at a time, lifting off the ground. Remain the other elbows pointing forward. The arms are hugging into the midline and the abdominals are contracted strongly. Gaze forward, away from the fingers. Release, exhale, and transfer your weight back until your feet come back to the floor. One-legged crane pose, Eka Pada Bakasana. Eka Pada Bakasana is derived from the Sanskrit Eka meaning one, Pada meaning foot, Baka meaning crane, and Asana meaning pose. Therefore, it may also be referred to as one-legged crane pose in English. It is also sometimes referred to as one-legged crow pose, Eka Pada Bakasana. However, in the crow variation, the arms are bent, while in the crane variation, the arms are straight. Upon mastering Bakasana, the practitioner can attempt Eka Pada Bakasana or Eka Pada Bakasana. The body weight is shifted to one side. Upon gaining balance, the right leg extends behind from the hip while balancing on the arms. The abdominals are contracted strongly, gazing forward to find balance. Eka Pada Bakasana can also be practiced with the support from the wall. The hands are away about 4 to 5 feet distance from the wall. Step one foot against the wall and the other leg knee resting under the arm. While holding this position, engage the abdomen strongly and push into the arms.